Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix cannot adjust brightness on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now to fix this, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, right click on your desktop, then just click on display settings. From here, scroll all the way down and click on advanced display settings. From here, click on display adapter properties for display 1. Then just click on adapter type properties. From here, select driver. Now, if you have recently installed a driver, you can roll back to the previous driver if that's causing the issue. And if you haven't recently installed a driver, what you can do is update to the latest driver. To do that, just click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers, and if it finds the latest drivers for you, it's gonna install it for you. As you can see, it says I got the best drivers installed, so it didn't do anything for me. Then just click on close again, and close all this. And after that, we have to update our monitor drivers. To do that, just right click on start, then just go to device manager, then just expand this window. From here, you're gonna find monitors. Just expand this. Here, generic PNP monitor, just right click on it, click on update driver. From here, just click on search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, the best drivers for me are already installed, so I'll just close this. And the last step which you can follow is just go to your store and search for update. And in the best matches you're gonna find, check for updates, just open that. From here, search for Windows updates, and you'll find the pending Windows updates. Just download those and install those, and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix cannot change brightness slider on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.